Alright, hello everyone. This is another cool review, I guess, of a very cool high definition camcorder with night shot. If you like night shot, so you can record your UFO activity at dark or ghosts or whatever. This thing cost me $70 at Amazon. I don't think you could get cheaper than that. It went from 90 to it went from like 120 to like 90 to finally 70, and I said I gotta get it. It comes with a AC adapter, regular USB AC adapter, with two batteries, two of these. They don't last too long, but AB connecting cable for your old school TV so you can watch your videos. USB cable, like I said, with the charger. User manual, which I forgot where I put that thing, and it's got this remote control, which is not listed in the box, but it came with it, so that's nice. Now, if you are like me, you like, to take videos in the dark, you should get this is an ultra fire from Amazon. It has ultraviolet, or I forgot, infrared light, so you can't really see this, with your naked eye, but trust me, when you go to infrared mode, it makes it a lot better and brighter. So I highly recommend that. And this is just the box it came with. So for 70 bucks, free shipping, you're looking at a very cool little camera. It fits like so. You open it, and when you open it, it turns on by itself. And I'm going to show you the controllers. It's got a 3-inch LCD. It's pretty dope. It's very simple to operate. The power, it's the OK button. But this button, you pretty much choose through the menu. Like you want to press, yeah, I want to move into that. You press that, and it chooses it. But it also, if I press it right now, it will go to infrared mode. And I'm not gonna do that right now because I got the lights on. But that's your night shot right here. This is your mode. The thing just changed, and it pretty much goes to your camera or your videos that you recorded, and it goes back to video so you can record. Here's the menu button. Gives you options for menu size, and it's got an up and down here, so you could choose. So you could go to movie size, metering, white balance, effect. It's got some effects. Date setup. So let's choose effect. Press OK, and you go down. Look at the screen. Normal, black and white, sepia, and negative. Red, green, blue. So that's pretty much everything. You want to choose normal. I'm gonna press OK. And menu again to go back out. So you press this button here to record. It's got the TV plug here, and it's got the connection for USB right there also. Just close that. It's got the press this to take a picture. Press this to zoom in and out. The only complaint I have about this is when you're recording and you want to watch it on your screen, the speaker is very low, like you can hardly hear it. But once you plug it onto your TV, I'm gonna make a video and I'm gonna show you how when you set it up on your TV, you can watch it pretty much on your video on your TV. So that's pretty dope. And I'll do it probably in the dark so you can see better. Alright people, so I'll make another video later. Take care. Gotta go.